next friends can step right on up.
Look at how cute. What's up guys? So today is Sunday, June 10th, and today I work in the afternoon. So I got to sleep in, had some breakfast. I'm gonna get ready for work now and posting some Instagram pictures. And I'm gonna work until 11:30 tonight, so this is probably the only time I'm gonna talk to you. That's what today is. Did laundry last night, air drying my dress, beautiful. Yeah, pretty normal work day. So yeah, that's Sunday. What's up? What's up guys? So today is Monday, June 11th, and last night after work, coworkers and I went to Wendy's, and I got back super late. I probably fell asleep around 2:30, and I had in-service training this morning, IST for short, and that was at 7:45.
And the bus would get me there either at 7:40 or 7:03, and I didn't want to take the 7:41 because that's cutting it too close, so I took the 7:03 one, which was at 6:45, which means I had to get up at like 6:05, 6:10.
So I've been up for a while, and then after IST, there were too many guards scheduled, so one of us got to go home, one of us got an early release, and we picked a number between 1 and 20, and I picked the closest number, so I got to go home. But first I like helped fill up water and helped our coordinator with just a bunch of random stuff, putting chairs out and doing arcade stuff. So I'm home now. I took the bus back. I was freezing because obviously I was cold.
Because I jumped into the pool because we had training, and so we got on the bus and I was freezing cold. It took me like an hour to get home because I'm the last stop.
And then I came home, I showered, and it is 11:46, and I have the whole day in front of me, and it's my weekend, so that's exciting. I have tomorrow and the next day off. So both days I'm planning on going to Epcot to see Haley and hang out because I haven't spent a lot of time in Epcot. So that's the plan. I am going to catch up on sleep. I'm gonna eat and sleep and eat. That's what I'm gonna do. And some probably edit and just organize myself. Yes. No. Okay. Bye.
All right, so yesterday's clip contained who was the favorite child of mom.
You're my favorite. You're my favorite.
I wanna know what love is.
But today's clip, Dad needs to choose a favorite. So
Dad doesn't have a favorite. Dad loves all his children.
it's Monday.
Grab my orange juice.
I'm eating a leftover Mickey pretzel from last night.
At least like heat it up, or is it just?
Can you define? Wait, do you think I heated it up?
I don't think you did.
I may be your favorite, but just because I'm your favorite child doesn't make me the brightest. We're eating and editing together. It's hashtag lit.
Good morning, everyone. We made it to Epcot after a bit of an adventure. That's all right though. We took the cast bus. We took a bus to the Epcot Cast Center and then to the front of the park. It was just a lot, but we made it. We got our ears on, and now we're going to see Haley. I'm so excited. She's gonna take all our pictures, and it's gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. Woohoo! She has an umbrella. We found Haley. Oh my god. We found her. She is here.
My next friends can step right on up.
Oh my god. I can't handle it.
Look at her work the camera.
Ooh, look at her go.
Yes, no.
Work it.
No.
Look at the stance.
Look at her pose.
My next friends can step right on up.
Look at how cute.
To the most awesomest Photopass. That was the most funnest ever. I loved it. I love her so much. So if you guys are ever in Epcot, make sure you find her. She's gonna work you.
All the poses. You don't even have to come prepared. She's got you.
She'll
Make it look
work
cute.
you.
That was so fun. I hope we can take more pictures with her. If she was at Finding Nemo, that would be fun. What do you think? Was it fun?
I loved it. She's working you.
She worked you. Like, all the poses, all the magic shots, everything. So,
Like she
if you
had
ever
them down on the ground, okay?
We're going left.
Okay.
Norway.
I don't know where I'm going.
Yeah,
Oh,
Norway.
fine.
We're going to Frozen right now, but if you're ever in Epcot, check out my girl Haley. She's usually at she's gonna be everywhere. She's gonna be character trained. She's gonna do everything. Right now, she's at the Spaceship Earth Ball. So if you're ever looking for the best photo pass ever,
She got the post.
look for Haley. She doesn't work there anymore. Yeah, we're going to Frozen Ever After right now. I have a fast pass. Carolyn doesn't, but it's gonna be great. Look at it. It's magic.
Everyone a snowy summer day. You're going to Elsa's ice palace. Spencer, it'll be so beautiful. True love and full of frozen hope. And now they're best friends. Indeed.
Kimmy's getting her passport.
So excited.
Hi, how are you? Good, how are you? So where are you from? Chicago. Chicago. Yeah. Nice. It's a Duffy with a Viking helmet.
Perfect.
There you go. And there it says Velkommen til Norge. And that means welcome to Norway.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How'd you feel?
Amazing. The bakery is closed. I'm sad. Hopefully they'll open again while we're here, but I'm sad. That's my favorite. Well, that's not my favorite, but it's one of my favorite World Showcase places to get a snack.
Can we go to France?
Let's go to France. Which way are we going? France?
Or France?
This way. I'll go this way. But yeah, we just did Frozen Ever After, and I got my first thing in my passport at Norway. Gonna fill it up. I'm excited. She's back. Look at her doing her job. Alright guys, so now we are going to our Fast Pass for Living with the Land. We just saw Haley again. I love her so much. Caroline got the cutest picture of her. I will put it here. It was so cute. Yeah, now Fast Pass is for Living with the Land.
Our small fish farm produces nearly.
She cute. All the hidden Mickeys. Alright guys, so we just got off Living with the Land and now we're at Sunshine Seasons getting something to eat. I got pretty boring salad and then I got the rose gold cupcake. It was on my list, I wanted to get it and I'm excited to see what's actually, I think it's chocolate, we'll find out. Then Carolyn got the biggest turkey club ever and the cutest whoopie pie ever. So now we're gonna eat it.
Kimmy's gonna try it now.
Okay, so we took the wrapper off and it looks like carrot cake. I'm so excited. I love carrot cake. And should I just cut into it?
Dig in, huh?
Dig in. Okay, ready? Ooh, I'm cutting it like a cake. There's no filling, but it looks so good.
Go try it. We need to see your reaction.
Okay, ready? Cheers. Wait, what does it look like? Is it like cinnamony? Right? Alright, cheers. It's good. It's like not the best cupcake ever. It's just cute. It's good. Like frosting's my favorite thing ever. So I'm down for the frosting. I think the cake is like cinnamon. It's good. Do you want a bite?
I get a bite.
Your turn. It's like fine. It's a cake. It's not the best cake ever.
Let's try frosting.
I want to know what the... Frosting's my favorite. I love frosting.
I like this one better.
Yeah, demolished.
I already...
So, I mean, we're eating it. And we usually don't get...
Is this the first time we're getting pastries?
I think so. Like, we never get desserts. This is like a special occasion. I don't know. Rose gold, cupcakes, had my eye on it for a while, so I got it. And that whoopie pie looked so good. Like, we never get desserts in the park, except like maybe ice cream. Oh my god, literally the last time I was in a park, I got a dessert. I'm lying.
Kimmy's having the donut sundae.
It's never like dinner and a dessert. It's always like dinner and then like a couple hours later we'll do dessert or something like that. Whatever.
It's alright.
It's fine. And none of this was focused. Cool. Alright, rose gold cupcake's good. Sierra's coming now. Karen has to go to work soon, but Figment first. Maybe we can find a to-go container for this cupcake, and yeah. See you at Figment. Sierra's meeting us. There she is. See the dragon?
Oh? Who is this?
It's Figment!
Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination. Let the good times roll.
Oh no, what is the chance thing?
Oh, yeah, that really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose do. That's the best idea you've had all day. With just a spark of inspiration, I made my house an innovation. Imagination really found around. Makes them kind of
And upside down.
And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
That always scares me. Come true.
Of inspiration is at the heart of all creation.
guys, so we just finished Figment, and then we also did the little Imagine Works place, and then we also took some photo booth pictures because you can get them with Memory Maker with your Magic Band. So we took a bunch of those. That was really fun. And we got fast passes for Soarin', which was very lucky. Good job, Sierra. And now we are going to see what Nemo looks like, just to walk on and ride Nemo. We're doing Nemo now. It's gonna be nice and air conditioned. Oh yeah. This should be a wall. I wonder if it is. It might be.
Can make it a wall?
We're on Nemo! There she is, queen of the show.
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo? Who's Nemo? He's my son. You know that. I do. We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes. Have you seen him?
Seen who?
There's a shark. There's a hidden Mickey.
Hello and welcome to Soarin'. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Nice work, pal. Okay, let's review. That is seat belt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
Thanks, Patrick. Alright guys, so we went on Soarin', we went on Living with the Land again, and we just got off of Spaceship Earth. So now we're going to Club Pool because Sierra's thirsty and it's the best way to get some free, to quench your thirst without spending any money. So yeah, Club Pool, and then hopefully we'll stay for fireworks. So yeah. Fanta, Fanta. The floor is so sticky. It always smells disgusting in here. That's your favorite? Melon Frosty from Thailand. It looks like it could be from here though. What does it taste like? Watermelon or melon?
Like cantaloupe.
Oh, I hate cantaloupe. I'm gonna do this one. Ooh, yes. Oh, that's it.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Energizing for power test.
Alright y'all, so we just went on test track, looked in mouse gears for a little bit, and look, there's a rainbow. I'm gonna have to flip it. They're picking up on camera a little bit. Look at it. It's just that little bit. It's magic. Woohoo! Alright guys, so we just finished watching IllumiNations. As you saw, we didn't have the best spot, but that's okay. We had a big tree in our way. But now we're leaving Epcot. We had a good day. See you tomorrow.
And the drink is cherry Pepsi. Yes. I don't think so. If he does, they're very rarely. Wilderness Lodge and...
I forgot that there's no bus from Epcot to Contemporary.
Nope.
Why not?
Because
you can take monorails.
6 hours later.
Focusing. There you go.
She's at sports.
She's at sports. Sports. So it is Wednesday, June 13th.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
It is Wednesday, my dudes. Hi, welcome to Chili's. Because they're both in the mirror, right? Okay, great. So, we had a fun day. We got to sleep in. I had fast passes for Epcot, but that didn't happen. It's fine. It's fine.
Literally, you hit your alarm this morning. It went off at 11. She hit it, rolled over. I went, you know what? She's my hero.
Yeah. Why set an alarm if you don't have to?
Never been more proud of you.
Thank you so much. So, the clip you just saw was us at Taco Bell. We were jamming out to some tunes. And then we went to Company D. I got a couple cute things that I had my eye on. You got a Spirit jersey.
I didn't get my Spirit jersey.
Spirit jersey. Carolyn did too.
Yeah, I got a lanyard, but I wanted to use it as a pin.
So she taped it to her pin board.
You know!
It's fine.
Do not ask me what this is held up with. This is not a pin. I don't want you to judge me with how it's being held here. It's a temporary fix.
It's temporary. We'll DIY it later. Because they didn't have any.
Cut to December and it's still
to
there.
December, it's not. Because they didn't have any Vistaway pins, which I get. Because I got one and now they're gone. But they should get more because it's not like, oh, what's that?
It's not like when they're in the college for the last college program people.
Right.
I'm assuming they'll come out with more when like the fall people come.
We'll just have to find out. I wonder if it's always Peter Pan.
True.
If it's another character, I'd be down to get a different one actually and we can trade, but it's fine. Yeah, so then we went back and chilled and we dropped Carolyn off at work and now we're going to see Mom at Campfire!
Dad and son visiting Mom.
Dad and son visiting Mom.
Starting route to Disney's All-Star Sports Resort.
All-Star Sports, yeah.
I love how we dressed up so fancy.
We dressed up so fancy in all our great glory.
Beat the hell out of our faces.
So Campfire with Mom! Woo!
I think it's first. I think it's sport music.
Lifeguard, that's me.
So you know how I'm gonna make today better? I'm going to go to All Stars and we gonna go campfire with Mom.
Because moms make everything better. And accompanied with Dad. Mom, Dad, and the favorite. What is it, Tom? Visit Mom.
Campfire, you so many songs.
We're gonna go visit Mom at Campfire because we keep saying we're gonna do it and then we always bail. We want to commit, so we're committing. No, I'm such a fan. Where? Oh, what a cute little friend.
There's snails when I walk to the parking lot at Wilderness's Wheel. There's also been snakes in our pool.
And you weren't awake for this. I saved a moth from our apartment this morning, so that's not a work thing, but.
Oh, and that's the beautiful All-Star Sports. Why is it a star? Why isn't it? But all of them are All-Star. Oh wow. Oh wow. I've never been in here.
Wet shoes right now.
Hello? I want some s'mores, please. Oh, she's not even looking at us. Sorry. You do something. She's so busy.
Which one do you want?
Mary Beth. She's here!
People like kiss their marshmallow on fire and dump it in the water.
Nice, nice, nice. We're making s'mores. Look how cute. She's just doing her job. Look at her hand. She's a fireman.
It's on fire, ma'am. Please blow it out.
Ma'am, blow it out.
I didn't get a nice one.
I think you're sweating just a little bit.
I'm a very moist person.
Eat it. No, don't do it. We gotta make another s'more.
Bay's picture on Instagram.
What?
Bay in real life.
It's covered in ash, Haley. Oh, put it on the plate. What are you doing?
I'm a man. Son. Take the gram. Then You stick the chocolate on the ground. Then you roast the mallow. Then you put the mallow on the
What is going on? Like that's the color it was.
They told me try the gray stuff. I heard it was delicious.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh. I mean, it tastes great.
I mean, that's good.
Don't judge something by the outside. Don't judge a book by its cover, Dad.
And cut.
Later.
Alright guys, so we are back from visiting Mary Beth at work. We had a lot of fun. I ate 2 s'mores. And I just showered, got all the smoke out of my hair. Shouts out to all the children's activities who always have smoke on their clothes and in their hair. It's gotta be a fun time. But yeah, I'm home. Just gonna chill for the rest of the night, maybe edit and catch up on adult things. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!